Since the start of the new year, 121 people across the U.S. have been reported to have the measles. Most of them weren't vaccinated.
Here in Wisconsin, parents are allowed to opt out of getting their kids the vaccine. NBC 15's Kristen Mazer joins us now with what local parents are saying about the state's vaccine exceptions.
Hey, John and Leah, current measles outbreak here in the U.S., one of the worst in decades. Doctors urging parents, of course, to get their kids vaccinated. Urging, but not forcing. That's the difference here.
No measles cases in Wisconsin yet, but health officials say it's just a matter of time. To vaccinate or not? That's the million-dollar question.
Even if your child's perfectly healthy and can be fine without getting it, you should think of other people.
John Freeman takes his 6-year-old daughter to a KinderCare daycare center on Madison's west side. This location, along with all KinderCare centers in the U.S., taking a stand to prevent measles from spreading. Starting today, all employees who work in their infant rooms must be vaccinated.
I fully support that. You should think of other people, show compassion.
This move comes after 6 babies were diagnosed with measles at a KinderCare near Chicago.
So it'll be a good thing for the community.
While some KinderCare employees are being required to get the shot, some kids here in Wisconsin don't have to follow suit. The CDC recommends all kids get 2 doses of the measles, mumps, and rubella vaccine. But parents can choose to opt out of vaccinating their kids for medical, religious, or personal reasons. Last school year, there were over 70,000 kids enrolled in kindergarten in the states. Now, according to the CDC, greater than or equal to 4% of those kids were exempt from receiving 1 or more vaccines. That's one of the highest percentages in the country.
I guess that would be like a choice, but yeah, if it doesn't cross the barriers of what they feel and their standards in life, I'd say just leave it the same then.
And we asked you, the viewers, to weigh in on opting out of vaccines and if you think the state should limit exemptions. Now, Christina writes, quote, "I think it's not up to the state to decide anything for anyone." Meanwhile, Kelly says, quote, "Yes, my oldest and myself have a weakened immune system, so we need to have people to be vaccinated so we can stay healthy."